Let us learn how to view foreign exchange rates. If you click on See All, it will take you to the foreign exchange page, where you'll be able to see the rates of all the currency pairs and the corridors which are activated for you. You can always refresh to get a fresh foreign exchange rate. Next, let us view the current ledger positioning, where you'll be able to see your balances with TerraPay. You can click on See All to see all the ledgers available. You will see a GL, which is the general ledger, and TL, which is the transaction ledger. Here you can view the balance of the ledgers. Next, let us view the analytics of today's transaction delivery. You'll be able to see how much time the transactions of that particular corridor take to get delivered. You can view less than 1 minute, 1 minute to 30 minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour to 12 hours, and so forth. That's all for this module.